That was quite a noise. Mornings can be chaotic. People running around, it's cuckoo trying to get out the door. One thing that can make it easier, egg muffins. You combine egg with whatever you like, cheese, sausage, bake them up in a muffin tin, and they're ready to go. You want to do 1 egg per muffin cup. And so I'm gonna have 12 muffin cups, I'm gonna do 12 eggs. The thing is that you might have some left over because you don't know how much stuff you're gonna put in it until you actually do it. You can put whatever you like in them, whatever you have left over in the refrigerator. I have some leftover sausage, I have some shredded cheese, you can put in broccoli, maybe the kids don't like it, but you can have it. You can put whatever you like in them. You don't want a soggy vegetable because it's going to waterlog the muffins, but as long as the vegetable is pretty dry, you're good to go. We've got 12 eggs, now we're going to add a little bit of milk for richness. I've got the sausage and cheese because sometimes in the morning I buy sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits and they're like $5. You don't need to do that here. Whisk it up. So what I'm going to do is just pour the mixture right into the measuring cup. I'm using a really good nonstick pan. That way the eggs won't cling to the sides and you're gonna get a really clean muffin. If you don't have one that's really good nonstick, you can just grease it with butter. And the butter actually gives it a more delicious flavor. Okay, so take your egg mixture and pour it evenly into each muffin cup. Now look, you don't wanna fill them up too much because they're gonna poof up, sort of like a souffle. But you do wanna make sure that they're, I don't know, about half full, maybe 2/3. Put the muffins in a 325 oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. You want to make sure that the eggs are set but not too brown. So here's what I like to do. I like to put an English muffin right into the oven. It toasts it, and then when the muffins come out, you can squish one together and have an egg sandwich. Toast! The eggs are set and we're ready to take them out. The eggs will puff up in the oven and they'll probably shrink a little bit when you take it out. Don't worry about that, it's supposed to happen. And then the muffins will pop right out. Boom. And the way I love to eat these is on top of an English muffin, so it's like an immediate egg sandwich, and then you can just squish it down. Egg muffins, welcome to your new usual.